This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in a Lincoln MKC key fob. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. This specific battery type is widely available and powers many small electronic devices. Having the right tools ready makes the entire process quick and hassle-free. You'll be surprised how easy it is to do this yourself, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot along the side of the fob, usually near the key ring attachment. Take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, the two halves of the key fob case should begin to separate. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the plastic casing. Once it starts to open, you can usually finish prying it apart by hand. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new battery correctly. Use your screwdriver or a fingernail to gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your fresh CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive, or plus, side is facing upwards. Just like the old one was, it should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Give it a good squeeze around the edges to ensure it's fully closed. Before you go, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Then, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking, to confirm everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.